Okay, we performed a test yesterday. So we got the slot to perform some tests yesterday. We planned last week and 2 weeks we couldn't do much. There were some overlapping tests. I'm going to explain the objective and also the setup of the both at Siemens side as well as UCB and the results from that. The test objective is Smart Energy Box controls whole building, so including HVAC, central lighting, and also plug load, what we explained earlier. So that's the objective, and also identification of the strategy and that we configure for the current weather, and the communication with the DRAS, and then taking the real-time market-based negotiation for the instant load reduction. So once it is performing all these activities, and the Smart Energy Box should relinquish the control to the building management system like the way it was. So that's the goal of this test. The lab setup we have at our Siemens, we also have the similar setup, but not to the scale of this building. In the sense, the same building management system is available our site as well, like the version of the building management system, whatever it is available here, we also have in our lab. And so we have the gateway setup, and which is controlling the plug loads, and we also have virtual appliances, which pretend like a real kitchen or any of the office rooms. And so we have sensor boxes, everything. The setup in the Citris is the similar setup, which having real building management system and a real office, and also we are controlling the lighting system, real lighting system here. So the Smart Energy Box, the control, it's able to control in the Citris building approximately around 500 points for HVAC. For 6 hours we did, and 80 control points for the lighting system. And in the HVAC control, it was involved in VAV minimum airflow, supply at temperature set point, zone temperature set point, and also heater cooling mode, because we have to force into the cooling mode when we pre-cool the building. And also central lighting, we control 5 levels in this building, and plug load control, and we were reading the real-time meter data as well. The weather forecast, it was very mild. So this is how it was the weather for yesterday. And the Smart Energy Box, when it evaluates the strategies, it's going to show how it's going to which is the best strategy. This is the strategy basis. And this is the real time. Actually, this is the baseline energy consumption. And if you look at this, in pretty much all strategies, they are very narrow because of the weather. We couldn't see much difference. It's very mild weather. So the strategy 7, out of those things, strategy 7 was selected, and which having this temperature set point goes near 78, 77 something. And we have we have pre-cooled from 9 a.m. until 12, and then we raise the set points. We raise the set points exponentially, and we changed the minimum airflow. And we thought of the test was supposed to stop at 4, and we, due to other technical reason, we stopped at 3 p.m. So the supply temperature that was changed, and which brings in, we set the temperature set point as 60. And until 9 o'clock, if you look at this is the 57.5, which was the earlier set point. And then we raised set point to 60. And then this was raised. And with this, the ventilation rate in the building was also, during the pre-cooling, it was high. And then during the DR period, so it was kind of low. And then it resumed here. You can also see the return air temperature. How was it during the pre-cooling? And also it was relaxed after some time. So this is a zone temperature set point and ventilation. I brought a couple of them to show here. So the temperature set point was around 9-ish. We were pre-cooling, and then we raised it, and there was some interruption in between this at the building management system. So and then it was resumed, and it went up until near 78, 77 point something. And the flow, if you look at this during the pre-cool, it went up, and then it was minimized according to the set points. So this is the submeter, and one of the the submeter for the AHUs, and it shows during pre-cooling again. So it was consuming more, and then it went went down during the DR time as well. So this is all a test result about yesterday's test. Thank you.
Thank you, Prasad.